Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sandy here today with another video. I'm so super excited to be back on your screen, guys. I miss you all so much. I know you all miss me too, don't you? I know you miss me. You miss me because I miss you guys so much. Honestly, I do. I wasn't able to do a video last week because I had really tight commitments that I had to take care of. I did a post on my community, which I'm sure most of you have seen. Oh guys, the love is so deep. I got so many messages from you guys, from Facebook, from Instagram, asking me when is the next video coming up. Guys, life happened and I really had to sort things out, but I'm back today and I'm really grateful for your support, guys. I can't explain how elated I was when most of you sent me messages in my DM on Instagram and on Facebook. I'm so super grateful. If you're new here, consider subscribing because we're a very happy family and we're really looking forward to adding you to our family. On this channel, we do anything and everything that helps you to succeed in life. We're a very happy family. We'll be more than happy to welcome you on board. So today, the main thing that we'll be doing is to review a product from Keababies. Yes, so this is an item I got for free from Keababies, and my opinion about this product is in no way, shape or form because of the fact that I got it for free, but I'm going to tell you my very honest opinion, what I think about the item. So it came in this box, so you can see it came in this box. I've already opened the box, guys, but I'm going to bring the item out. They have a lot of things on their website, but I'm going to do the opening right here for you guys to see. It comes in this pack. Yeah, this is how it comes, and it's a really lovely color I chose. I chose the gray because it's universal. I've got two boys and a girl, so I felt gray should be a really good color to match all of them. So I'm just opening this up for you guys to see. As you can see the logo on it, it's from Keababies. I don't know if you all can see. Yeah, and this is the bag. It's a really lovely design for a nappy bag. Like, it's not like the normal nappy bags that we find. This is really nice. It's got loads and loads of compartments. It's got a zipper here. There's a zipper here where you can fit your phone or any little accessories that you've got. Yeah, really cute. I love the fact that you can easily reach small items that you've got over here. It's got the straps that you can, you know, put the bag behind you, or you can hold it this way if you don't want to use it as a backpack. Okay, really cute, and got loads and loads of compartments. So you can, it's got a zipper here where you can put, you know, baby's little wipes, and another compartment here. It's got all that. It's got this for baby's bottles or any sort of bottles you've got, and inside that is an insulator that can keep bottles either very warm or very cold. I really love this bag. It's really cute. I haven't got a little baby, but I'm going to use it for my kids when we go on small picnics in the park, stuff like that. It's got this as well where you can put other stuff as a zipper, and more compartments inside. It's a really lovely bag, if you ask me. I love it. So cute, and my boys will really love having this behind them with all their stuff in there. and then the biggest compartment, you go through the back, yeah, where you can keep spare clothes, spare nappies, and everything spare. All right, really big compartment in here, super big. And whoa, it's got this changing mat that you can use, very, very convenient, easy on the go. So you can just pop baby on there and then do a quick nappy change when you're on the go. And that fits in really simple in here. I really love this bag, it's really cute. And in terms of quality, this is really top quality, and the cost of this bag is really, really competitive as well. So this, when you go on the Keababies website, this bag is called the Explorer backpack. Yeah, fully loaded. I love it. The design, everything about this bag is just dope. I love it. Thank you so much, Keababies, for sponsoring this video, and I look forward to ordering more stuff from your websites. Really nice, guys. I'm going to put a link to Keababies in the description, so that if you want to get any of their items, you can just go on their website and place your order. It's a really quick video, like I said, and I hope you guys enjoyed my little review of this Keababy backpack. Thank you guys for watching me. I'll try my very best to do a midweek post, but if not, guys, definitely next Sunday you'll be seeing me back again. If you haven't followed me yet on Facebook, please follow me on Sunday Facebook. On Facebook, I upload every single day. You can't miss out. I'm going to put the link of that as well in the description. Also, follow us on Instagram, and then follow Keababy. They've got an Instagram page and they've got a Facebook page as well, where they post new items as they come in stock. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little review of the Keababy backpack, and just follow the link and do your purchase. The prices are really, really affordable, and the delivery is really quick as well. I think I got the delivery within 3 days. Yeah, there's just a little bit of, you know, delays due to the COVID-19, but besides that, delivery was really, really quick, and then I got notified each step of the way, and I think that's really, really remarkable. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm super excited, and have a good one. Don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that next time I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for your support, and have a very, very, very lovely weekend. Bye.